Did you know that 30% of all company failures are due to poor maintenance practices? Unexpected equipment breakdowns keep happening. You're losing production time and money. This could have been avoided with the right maintenance strategy. Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the world #1 CMMS software. Fix It Now. CMMS stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System. Today, we're going to explore what CMMS software is, how it works, and why it matters. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into the key features of CMMS software. 1. Asset management. This is where all your equipment and machinery are listed. You can view key details such as purchase date, warranty info, solution bank, and maintenance history. Imagine knowing exactly when to perform preventive maintenance. Also, it keeps you informed about which equipment needs replacement. This improves accountability and ensures tasks are completed on time. 2. Preventive maintenance scheduling. Instead of waiting for something to break, you can schedule regular maintenance. This feature allows you to set alerts for upcoming maintenance tasks. It's like having a personal assistant remind you to take care of your equipment. 3. Work order management. Automatically generate work orders based on maintenance schedules. Real-time tracking. Track work orders in real time, from initiation to finalization. Customizable workflows. Configure workflows to match your unique maintenance processes and approval hierarchies. Priority-based scheduling. Assign priority levels to critical tasks for efficient resource allocation. Mobile accessibility. Access, update, and close work orders from any mobile device. Resource management. Allocate technicians, tools, and spare parts to each work order seamlessly. Automated notifications and alerts. Alert teams of tasks, updates, or deadlines via email or SMS. Attachment support. Attach manuals, images, or videos to work orders for better task execution. Work order history. Maintain a complete log of past work orders for audits and compliance. Performance reporting. Generate detailed reports on work order completion rates, technician performance, and task efficiency. Integration with other systems. Seamlessly connect with energy monitoring, and condition-based monitoring for unified operations. User-friendly interface. Simple, intuitive dashboard for quick work order creation and management. 4. Reporting and analytics. CMMS software provides powerful reporting tools. This data helps you make informed decisions for future maintenance strategies. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and share it with your coworkers. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.